How to add product images to Mountain Commerce. Okay, we're going to start with the front end of the site. This is a product list view, and we call these images thumbnail images. They're the images that appear in a product list view. When a customer drills in to the product detail page, we show them a larger image. We refer to this image as a standard image, and then for this particular product, we have multiple product images to show the different colors. And we're clicking the thumbnail to replace the standard image. This image treatment is called thumbnail and replace. Now there is a third sized image when you click enlarge for detail. This is a product detail image. This image is 600 pixels wide. The standard image is 300 pixels wide, and the thumbnail image is 100 pixels wide. Those are good, safe sizes of images to use when you're populating your catalog. It's also a very good idea to keep those image sizes standard for all of your products in the system. There can be some exceptions to the rule. Maybe some products are laid out in a landscape as opposed to a horizontal, and so you might want to change your image sizes for like a category of images. But in general, it's good to pick a standard thumbnail size of 100 pixels, your standard image size 300 pixels, and your detail 600 pixels. Okay. Now, there are two ways to get into the image treatment module. The first way is from your product editing screen. This is an example of where you add products to the system, and you can get to the image treatment by clicking Images in the black toolbar. Or if you are in a product list view in your back end, you can get to the image treatment by clicking on this colorful icon, and it will take you directly to the image treatment without having to wait for a product editing screen to load. If you have a slow internet connection, it can make a big difference. Okay, here's the main interface, and in this example we have 3 different images, and each of these images has a detail image, a standard image, and a thumbnail image. And we call that this is an image group. These orange images are all the same image. There's just 3 sizes. We call that an image group. So there are 3 image groups for this product. Now you can click these links to preview the images, and they open in a new tab. You can see that's what that image looks like, the size of it. Close the tab, go back. Click here, and you're looking at the standard image. The reason we don't display those is because of the time it would take to download, especially when you have multiple image groups, and you really don't need to see them. You can delete an image group by clicking this button. You can go in and edit an image group if you would like to change, maybe if you want to delete the thumbnail or delete the standard image or delete the detail image for whatever reason. You want to replace that with a different size image or something like that. Okay, now over here we have this image treatment, and this image treatment is set to thumbnail and replace. So if we go back to the front end and review, look at this. This is what the thumbnail and replace, how it behaves, how it looks. It's a very common treatment that you see out on the web. Okay, so we're going to go in and we are going to add images for a product. And this is the product. I already put a product in here that has no images, and we're going to edit that product. And from the black toolbar, we're going to select Images, and we start by adding a new image group. And I am going to browse and select a detail image, which is a 600 wide image, a nice big image. In this utility is for a new detail image. If you wanted to just upload a standard image, you use this one. To just upload a thumbnail, you would use this one. So I'm going to upload a detail image and choose to auto-generate the standard size and the thumbnail sized image. And hit save. And behold, I have an image group with a large image, a medium-sized image, and a thumbnail image. The system automatically created these two size images for me, and it took all of a couple of seconds. So I'm going to go through and add another image group. I'm going to browse for my detail image, choose the red glove, auto standard, auto thumbnail, hit save, and voila, another image group. I'm going to add a couple more image groups just to demonstrate how actually quick and easy it is to add a dozen or so images in potentially less than a minute if you have a good internet connection. Hit save. And there we have 4 image groups, 3 image sizes. That's a dozen images I uploaded in about a minute. Now, there's this default column over here, and you can choose one of these images to be the default image that is displayed in the product list view, and the first image to load in any image treatment that you select. So I'm going to choose the orange glove and hit save as that default image, and then I'm going to click View to go and look and see what this product now looks like. So there's that orange image that I set to default, and I can click between these different images, click to pop up and see a large image, and I'm going to go back here to the list view, and this should be showing that orange image in the list view. For some reason there's a caching issue going on with my browser. Okay, now I'm going to go into the preference section to show you where you can change what your thumbnail and your standard images are cropped to. So I have the thumbnail set to 100 pixels wide and the standard image set to 300 pixels wide. And so when I upload a detail image at 600 pixels wide, it automatically crops the standard image to 300 pixels and the thumbnail to 100 pixels. So that is it for now. Thank you.